Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It is freaking hot today, and really it's too hot to do anything meaningful on the Mustang, grinding, welding, that kind of stuff. But it is a good temperature to paint. So we got the kid's swing set painted up back there, waiting for it to cure so we can put that up. That'll be fun. One thing I do have today is a box from UPS, and let's take a look at that. Okay, I know I said before I don't like bodywork, I don't do bodywork, but I know that it's going to be useful to learn it. So here we go. Brand new set of Chinesium. It wasn't really cheap, but the reviews are pretty good. And they look like decent tools, the little I've looked at them so far. At least they're ground fairly flat. Now I know I could have gone to, estate sales and pawn shops and dug up some older hammers and dollies and things, but sometimes I just need to get the stuff that I think I need and get going, get moving on it. So here we go. They don't feel bad. Not sure what kind of wood that is, but it's fairly light. It's there's the brand. Okay, I'm not looking for something I'm gonna, make money with. I just want to be able to fix the problems I have and maybe make some custom parts and learn a new skill. Yep, that one's gonna take some grinding. It's got a little wave in it. That's one thing I would like someone to answer for me is, I've looked at some videos on maintaining hammers and grinding the surfaces, and nobody really talks about how much of a radius you want on the different styles of hammers. I'm guessing you want most of the center area flat on some of these and maybe more rounded on others. But if you know a video or you have some wisdom you can impart to me about the shape, the ideal shape that's on these different types of hammers, let me know. That's a lovely guy. Okay, for what I paid for these, I don't think I'm real disappointed. Okay, I'm disappointed in the price because everything's flipping expensive now, but this is basically what I thought I was going to get. We're under 200 bucks delivered, and we got a lot of parts here. The case is pretty sturdy, which is nice. Yeah, we got some workable tools. I just gotta figure out how to use it. I don't think it's ripe yet.